Suddenly got mad and blocked someone? We all do it. 2 days later, regret hits hard. Are you unblocking on WhatsApp the right way? Many think blocking is easy. Unblocking is just a one-click thing too. Actually, no, WhatsApp intentionally hides the option. After the new update, it is even more of a headache. Many cannot find it for hours. Today, we will see the exact right way without any trouble. We are going to the screen now. Look at my screen. First, open the WhatsApp app. If you are an iPhone user, press the settings icon in the bottom right corner. Android user, you will see 3 dots on the top right. Click there and go to settings. This is where most people make their first mistake. So many options. Account, chats, notifications. It makes your head spin. Look with a calm mind. Do not panic. Our target is very specific. Just find the privacy option from this long list. Found it? Tap it. This is the main control room of WhatsApp. From here you control who sees your last scene, who gets read receipts. Now scroll down a little, not too much. In the middle you will see the blocked contacts option. This is the hidden list. Boom! All your blocked people are here. Crazy, right? Tap it directly. The whole list will open. Maybe a very long list. Mine is quite big too. Many familiar people are stuck here. If the trick is even a little useful, subscribe to the channel. Now the real work begins. Find the person you want to unblock from the list. Stop for 1 second before tapping on the name. iPhone and Android are completely different here. Watch carefully. First, I will talk about the iPhone. On iPhone, hit the edit button on the top right corner. A red minus icon will appear. Tap it quickly. The unblock option will pop up. Press that. For Android users, super simple, just tap on the name. Unblock will pop up instantly. Click the unblock button. You will see the text unblocking for 2 seconds. After that, work is done. The person's name will disappear from the list. Successfully unblocked. Now they can message you again. They can call. Old chats will be seen again too. But be careful. If they start bothering you again after unblocking, block them again. Simple. Remember, unblocking is not a permanent decision. Your phone, your rules. If the trick works, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thanks.